Good.
First off, I want you to line up your arm with the cable, the bar, okay? Then I want you to grab it. You want to stand about a foot back from the machine. Go ahead, grab it. Now, we're going to do a pronated tricep extension. So I want your palm facing downward. I want you to breathe in, come up to a 90-degree angle. You see that? Her wrist doesn't pass her elbow when she comes up. Then I want you to go all the way down and squeeze that tricep, keeping the shoulders back and down, feet perfectly straight, knees slightly bent. Look at her, how her back is nice and straight. And the other arm, you put it on your side. Breathe in on the way up, blow out on the way down, and keep that chest up. Don't move around and don't move your arm. I don't want to see your arm moving back and forth. You've got to keep it stiff. If you keep it stiff, you're going to work that tricep beautifully.